What really happened? How could this change the world of the US military and politics? Let's dig deeper. The political world of the United States was shaken when former President Donald Trump, who is also a presidential candidate in the upcoming election, became a shooting victim. This incident occurred when Trump attended a campaign event in Florida. Trump, known for his controversial rhetoric and strong support from a conservative voter base, now faces new challenges. Photos showing Trump with a bloodied face and clenched fists circulated widely on social media, creating a wave of sympathy from his supporters. However, will this incident affect the results of the upcoming elections? Political experts say the dramatic incident could strengthen Trump's base, but there are many other factors to consider. Speculation arose. Is this part of a conspiracy to disrupt the election? Some argue that this incident could be used to divert attention from more substantial policy issues. However, is public sympathy enough to secure Trump's victory? Let's look deeper. Many political observers dare to predict that Trump has a big chance of winning after this incident. However, we must remember that elections in the US are very complex, with a variety of factors influencing voters' choices. Not everyone will be swayed by this heroic narrative. In the midst of the political frenzy, Northrop Grumman Corporation introduced their newest innovation, the XRQ-73 SHEPARD. This hybrid electric drone was developed for DARPA as part of an effort to strengthen US military capabilities. This technology combines several components from previous AFRL or IARPA Great Horned Owl Go projects, making it one of the most advanced drones today. The XRQ-73 drone is designed to be extremely quiet and efficient, continuing the tradition of the secretive XRQ-72 a drone series. The DARPA X-Prime program, also known as With the introduction of the XRQ-73, US military strategy could undergo significant changes. This drone is expected to be used in a variety of missions, from reconnaissance to offensive operations. Does this herald a new era in military technology? What impact will this have on national and global security? The first flight of the XRQ-73 is scheduled for late 2024. Its stealth design with flying wings, tapered wingtips, and two air inlets atop the fuselage shows great potential in modern military operations. DARPA has not released full performance specifications, but anticipation is high about this drone's capabilities. Combining these two major events, we see the potential for major changes in US politics and the military. The Trump shooting incident could influence domestic political dynamics, while the introduction of the XRQ-73 SHEPARD shows the US commitment to remaining ahead in military technology. How will the combination of these two factors affect international relations and global dynamics? Will the US remain the dominant power in the world, or will it trigger a new arms race? These questions will continue to be the subject of heated discussion among experts and observers. Thank you for watching. Give your opinion in the comments column, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on global military and political developments. Don't miss the latest updates on global military and political developments only on this channel. See you in the next video.